The field of writing requires immense amount of creativity. However, every writer has had instances where they merely gazed at the blank pages, unable to come up with ideas or compose the creative works. This video will come in helpful if you wish to learn more about how to fix writer's block or what to do when you have writer's block. Before we proceed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. That little notification bell will also help you to be always informed about the latest updates from UniSquare Concepts. Writer's block occurs when a writer is unable to develop new ideas. They may struggle to put their thoughts on paper, or they may be unable to generate any ideas at all. To address such an issue and learn various ways to overcome writer's block, one must first understand what causes writer's block and what elements impact it. The severity of the causes may differ from person to person based on the factors such as lifestyle, family, and other environmental factors. One of the causes of writer's block might be that the person has run out of ideas. They may be in an ambiguous circumstance and the future may also appear hazy. This causes the creator's thoughts to be disrupted and he or she is unable to develop any ideas. Fear among writers also causes writer's block. What writers may be afraid of putting their thoughts out there for everyone to see? They are afraid of being assessed, criticized, or even rejected by the publisher. In their endeavor to construct the ideal sentence, they fail to write even one word. This is also closely tied to another factor, the desire of every writer to be flawless. This need to be perfect keeps people from writing, resulting in writer's block. All types of writers, including home-based writers, face the challenge of writer's block. Writers may also overcritique themselves, preventing them from writing. As previously said, this video will go into several ways on how to fix the writer's block. Number 1. Follow a schedule to fix writer's block. Following a routine, as tedious as it may sound, may be one of the effective ways to overcome writer's block. When we begin writing at the same time and in the same area, our brain detects the activity and forces the creative mind to work. This is one of the easiest solutions if you are wondering how to fix the writer's block. This does not imply that the schedule must be rigid or severe. Everyone is free to take breaks as needed. However, in the long term, one must adhere to a timetable so that the mind can detect the action and complete the task. Identifying the optimum writing time for yourself whenever you feel the most productive is one of the finest ideas for creating the best timetable and the solution on how to fix a writer's block. Creating a calendar may also be beneficial since it will help you keep track of when things need to be accomplished and will remind you of any deadlines you may have. Find a writing location and a writing style such as digital or pen and paper. Number 2. Practicing free writing helps fix writer's block. Free writing entails writing down all that comes to mind without any filter. This sort of writing has no restrictions and you are not required to make it error-free. You are the master and you have the freedom to write whatever and anything you choose. You can start by setting a timer for 5 minutes and writing whatever comes to your mind without stopping. One should be allowed to imagine freely. Number 3. Take a break when you have a writer's block. It may be counterproductive to try to force yourself when you are stuck. This is where you should rest. You do not always have to think about what to do when you have a creative block. Sometimes, simply taking a break can help increase creativity and productivity levels. After you have finished the first copy of your written article, you may wish to take a break. This will help you clear your mind and return with much more energy to edit. Taking breaks helps to redirect thoughts and encourages individuals to be creative in other areas, even while they are taking a break. Number 4, change your writing tool. We have all heard that altering our physical surroundings may help enhance creativity. The same may be said for the writing tools. Whenever you wonder how to fix a writer's block, simply use a different writing tool instead of your normal one. You have the option of switching to pen-paper mode if you have been writing on the internet, or vice versa. If you are writing with a certain piece of software, switch to another. These simple alterations serve to increase your creativity, proving to be effective ways to overcome writer's block. Number 5, try writing exercises or prompts. A writing prompt might be as simple as a word, sentence, phrase, song, or other pieces of music. It does not have to be lengthy. They are created in such a way that they elicit a thought. They not only assist break through writer's block, but they also serve as a valuable resource for other authors. This activity can also be done as a part of a free writing process. These two ways to overcome writer's block, that is, free writing and writing exercises, are beneficial to all types of writers. Number 6, explore other genres of writing. One of the highly successful ways to overcome writer's block is to transfer to a different genre of writing. A writer may run out of ideas if they just write in one genre. Hence, it is recommended that they switch and explore new domains. It assists writers in understanding many aspects of writing and allows them to see the world from a variety of perspectives. They may also encounter genres that are challenging for them. Yet, this sort of challenge allows every writer to think and progress. So, the next time when you wonder what to do when you have a writer's block, simply switch your genre and see how your mind works differently. Writer's block is a relatively typical occurrence. Every writer gets stuck and thinks about ways to overcome writer's block. Do not get frustrated. It is usually a good idea to clear your thoughts before beginning to write, since ideas prefer to arrive when our minds are clear. Every writer should remember that they do not have to be so hard on themselves. As previously said, it is beneficial to try new things, such as writing in a different genre or taking a break between writing schedules, and to be kind with ourselves, as we are all human. As previously indicated, you may try any strategy and see whether it works for you, or you can use a mix of these ways to overcome writer's block. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share it further with your friends. Waiting to hear your views in the comment section.